Hello cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing Word. Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute bird first. Let's call her magical marker. I'm coming! Let's start coloring. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Blue color. Brown color. Bye bye, see you tomorrow with next video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.